A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development, former High Court of Australia Chief Justice Robert French has announced his resignation from Hong Kong's Court of Final Appeal, marking yet another departure of a foreign judge amidst the ongoing national security crackdown imposed by Beijing. French's resignation adds to a growing list of foreign judges who have chosen to step down, raising serious questions about the integrity and independence of Hong Kong's judiciary. French, who has served as a non-permanent judge on the court since 2017, stated that he believed the role of foreign judges had become increasingly anachronistic and arguably cosmetic. In his resignation, he emphasized his respect for the Hong Kong judiciary and the integrity of his fellow judges, both local and international. Despite the heavy criticism from pro-democracy supporters who accused foreign judges of legitimizing a compromised legal system, French maintained that he was not complicit in the application of national security laws. In a statement released on Friday, French expressed his reluctance to comment on the national security laws directly but acknowledged that future cases would inevitably arise concerning their interpretation and application. His resignation comes at a time when scrutiny over the judiciary's independence has intensified, particularly following the sentencing of Australian citizen Gordon Ng, who was among 45 democracy activists prosecuted under the controversial law. French's departure is particularly notable as it reduces the number of foreign judges in the Court of Final Appeal from 15 to just 5 since the crackdown began in 2020. The remaining judges include 3 Australian judges, Patrick Keane, William Gummow, and James Alsop, along with UK judges Leonard Hoffman and David Neuberger. The diminishing presence of foreign judges has been likened to canaries in the coal mine, serving as a barometer for the judiciary's independence in Hong Kong. The Hong Kong government expressed regret over French's resignation, thanking him for his contributions while defending the judicial system's integrity. A government statement asserted that the absence of individual judges would not undermine the system's integrity or the government's commitment to upholding the rule of law. The political landscape in Hong Kong has become increasingly fraught, with several judges resigning in recent years, citing the deteriorating situation as a primary reason for their departure. Notably, British judges Lord Jonathan Sumption and Lord Lawrence Collins explicitly stated that the political climate in Hong Kong was a factor in their resignations, with Sumption describing the city as slowly becoming a totalitarian state. As the situation evolves, the Court of Final Appeal continues to operate with appeals heard by a panel of 5 judges, including 4 permanent judges and 1 non-permanent judge. However, foreign judges do not reside in Hong Kong and travel there for court sittings on an ad hoc basis. To date, none of the foreign judges have participated in appeals related to national security laws, with many opting to remain unavailable for such cases. French's resignation signals a critical juncture for Hong Kong's legal system, as the departure of experienced foreign judges raises concerns about the future of judicial independence in the city. The ongoing political tensions and the implementation of national security laws continue to challenge the rule of law, prompting calls for greater scrutiny and reform within the judicial system. As the landscape shifts, the role of foreign judges in Hong Kong remains uncertain, with potential implications for the region's status as a global financial hub and a bastion of legal integrity. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.